So now I will explain what is the comparison between comparable and comparator, or what are various differences between comparable comparator. The most valuable difference for the interview room, of course the most valuable question for the interview room, what is the difference between comparable comparator? Up to our last discussion we can able to conclude one important conclusion. Comparable meant for default natural sorting order, comparator meant for customized sorting order. Okay, now let me take in the tabular form. Keep subheading comparison table of comparable and comparator. And comparator, comparison table of comparable and comparator, or we can use the term differences also. Comparable and comparator. Here just observe the first point about comparable. It is meant for default natural sorting order. Comparable meant for default natural sorting order. Comparable meant for default natural sorting order. Comparator meant for customized sorting order. We covered, so we concluded this point several times. Comparable meant for default natural sorting order. Comparator meant for customized sorting order. Now the second point, can you tell comparable present in which package? Java.lang package. Comparator present in Java.util package. So present in Java.lang package, but this one present in Java.util package. Java.util package, right? Third one, comparable contain how many methods? This interface contain how many methods? So it contain only one method. What is that method? You know, compare to method. Only one method, compare to method. But this interface contain two methods. Here this interface contain two methods. The first one, compare method. So just like compare to compare. Second method is equals method. Of course most of the times equals method is a dummy, we know. So this interface contain only one method, compare to. This interface contain two methods, compare and equals method. Now the fourth one, listen. So which classes already implements comparable? All wrapper classes and a string class. All wrapper classes and string class implements comparable. All wrapper classes and string class implements comparable. But what about comparator? Most of the times we can use, there is no predefined class which implements comparator, but if we search very carefully, there are two classes which implements comparator. Only two classes. One is collator. Second one, rule based collator. I hope you never heard about these points, I am sure. Okay, this even I too don't know, not required to worry. These are things in the GUI based applications we can use these classes. So the only implemented classes are, first one is what? Collator. Second one is what? Rule based collator. Rule based collator. That's all. If any person in the interview room can ask what is the difference between comparable comparator, the main important difference you have to tell the first one. Comparable meant for default natural sorting order. comparator meant up for customized sorting order. Are you getting? Next, some still he is expecting some more points. Then you can talk about these things, right? Okay, take the notes. That's all. So this is what is the difference between comparable comparator, or when we should go for comparable and when we should go for comparator, right? That's all.